So here's a GoPro Hero 8 Black, and I'm going to show you how to turn the screen rotation on and off. Okay, so for example, right now I have the screen rotation on in the down mode. Okay, you can either put it on off, up, or down. It's on down, so basically it's recording. The screen is basically upside down. You can see the front way would be like this, and you can see that this is upside down as well. If I turn the screen over, this is upside down as well. Okay, so I can basically turn it over like this. It's not going to switch over. Okay, now if we go ahead and go into preferences here, so just slide down from the top to the bottom, go to preferences, and then we want to scroll down and we want to go to touchscreen, tap on touchscreen, and then go to landscape lock. And you can see I currently have it on down, or basically it's upside down. Now we can either do up or off as well. So if I do off, we'll go to off here. Now to set it on off, it's showing off, but the thing is, for it to be off, we have to make sure that it's highlighted in blue like the down is. Right now it's still on down, so we have to tap it to off, just like that. Now we can see it's off. So now the screen is basically going to keep rotating, as you can see there. And the same thing, let me just go ahead and go back to mode here. You can see that we can go ahead and turn it over like this, and it's also going to flip over. And the same thing on the side here. Okay, you can see right there. Then we can flip this over, and this is going to go ahead and turn over as well. So that's on the off position. And of course, if you have on up, then basically it's always going to stay in the upright position no matter how you turn it. And again, to go into the to get there, go to preferences, touchscreen, and go to landscape lock. And I personally do like to have mine actually on up, so go to up, tap on up, make sure it's highlighted. Now it's always right side up. As you can see here, even if I turn it upside down, it's not going to rotate. Okay, and the same thing with the LCD screen here. You can see we're right side up, and even if we turn it upside down, it's not going to flip it upside down. Okay, anyway, pretty simple. Any questions or anything, just comment below. All right.